In today's video, I'm going to replace the wiper blades on my Toyota FJ Cruiser. For this install, you're going to need two 14-inch blades and a 16-inch blade. I've got a link in the description below to a set of Goodyear blades. They come as a 3-pack with all 3 blades that you need. I'll also provide a link to the Bosch blades that I'm removing that are currently installed. All right, so for the install, it's gonna be the same for all 3 blades. The driver's side over here is the 16-inch blade, and then the center and passenger side are your 14-inch blades. To remove the Bosch blade, we've got little plastic clips on either side here. Push it on those, and then this little cover piece folds out, and then you're just gonna pull the blade in towards you, and you're good to go. So if you have a new Bosch blade, you're just gonna reinstall it the same way, super easy. And then for the Goodyear blades, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the packaging here. It comes with a bunch of different adapters that we don't need, but there's gonna be one that's already installed on here. That's the one that we're gonna use for the FJ. If you have a different type of arm, that's where you'd use those different adapters. They send you the whole kit, depending on what vehicle you're installing on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this little piece here, and we're just gonna pull it, swing it out, and then we're gonna pull it down. Then we're going to take this piece and we're going to slide it onto the arm until you hear a little click. And then we're going to take this and we're just going to push it on. That's literally it until you hear a click. Then we're going to slide off this little protector and you're good to go. So as you can see, the install process is super easy for these wiper blades. Again, a link to the product is in the description below. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those in the comment section. And for more FJ Cruiser videos, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, thanks for watching.